Most people fail at automations, not because of the tech, but because of these three common mistakes. Number one is they have no idea how to connect any of their credentials. So when they try to open up something like, let's say, a Google Sheet, they have no idea how to go inside the node, open up credentials, and fill out the client ID and the secret correctly. You have to understand how to go inside the Google console, get the client ID, get the client secret, give it all the permissions and the scopes, and understand exactly what to plug in this redirect URL. It seems like a lot, but after your first time of doing it, it's pretty simple. But basically, you have to understand that you can't just plug in a node, sign in, and use it. There's always more of a credentials and tokens, API keys, whatever you need to connect it and give it permission to use. And depending on the platform you're using, the method to get all that changes. Mistake number two is that they don't know what they don't know. Meaning they'll sit here and try to use the same four nodes over and over and over again to do everything inside of N8N, for an example, when they have an entire library of different endpoint tools and everything else that they can use. So instead of actually learning how to use different endpoints, doing some research, figuring things out, they'll just attempt to do everything from just OpenAI and Google Sheets. These are here for a reason. People spend hours, weeks, and months, maybe even years building all this out for a reason. Please take advantage and learn how to use them. And number three, one of the most common mistakes is not understanding what an error code is. Whenever your workflow gets broken, there's a very high chance that it's telling you exactly what's wrong. Now, sometimes it might not be something as simple or straightforward as this right here, but it'll almost always give you an error code like this. And once you understand what that error code means, you can easily fix it and figure it out. For example, a 401 means that your request to access endpoint, app, whatever, has been denied because of lack of credentials, which pretty much means you don't have the correct username, password, API key, token, bearer key, whatever. So once you see that, you would immediately check, okay, is there any mistakes in my API key? Did I type my password in wrong? Or did I even give a password or key to begin with? Which can save you a lot of time, because if you don't understand what that means, and if you don't have any idea, if you don't read it, then you can waste hours and days on a very simple automation fix. If you learned anything new, make sure you follow for more AI content.